Hey guys, today I want to show y'all a few things that I've purchased from Amazon, and it's just a small haul, and they've come in a few different packages over the week. And I have one more thing that's supposed to come tomorrow from Amazon, but I wanted to go ahead and make the video. And what I'm getting tomorrow is a cheap little set of press-on nails, so that's nothing too exciting. So I'm going to go ahead and do this Amazon video, and none of this is too exciting, but stuff that I needed. So the least exciting item that I purchased is this huge pack of 300 Christmas tree hooks, and they are like a lighter green, and it comes with two different sizes. You get the larger ones and the small hooks. And the reason why I purchased these right now is because I have a black Christmas tree that I'm using as a Halloween tree. I used it last year, but I cannot find my hooks, so I had to repurchase some, because I have lots of Halloween balls to put up, and I needed hooks. So really I wanted to find black hooks, but I could not find them anywhere. So I found these on Amazon. These were fairly cheap for the amount that you get, and I love that there's two different sizes. Plus I can use these for my Christmas tree, because I probably need hooks then as well. So it comes with a 300 pack, and I love the two different sizes. So this is great, and this was like $6.99 or so. So I'm excited for that. So hopefully today I can get up my Halloween tree that I'll be putting right behind me. So hopefully it should be shown in my video, I'm hoping. So then the next item, this just came today, and I already ripped open the package, but I have not checked these out. I got a 5-pack of Halloween face mask, and here is the little sticker thing from the from the seller on Amazon, and this was a really good deal. Come with 5 Halloween ones, and it was under $7. It was like 6 something, maybe like $6.50. I'm not sure, and it came with 5 masks, so I cannot wait to check out. And all the masks should be different print, and these are just little cheap. They're cloth. Ooh, they feel really nice. Kind of reminds me kind of like bathing suit material. So it has a few of the dark ones and then a few light ones. So let's check out all the prints. And so it's just the little looped kind that you just loop around your ears. So let's check them out. I'm super excited. Alright, so here's the first one on top. So it's a white one with creepy looking pumpkins, and then so it'd be like this. Hold on, I got some lipstick on. I don't want to get it because I have glitter. So I don't want to get it on the new mask. I didn't even think about it before doing the video. Alright. So yeah, they're really cute. Let me just take off my glasses. So yeah, it fits nice. It's not super duper tight, and it's definitely not loose. So it goes under the chin. Yeah. And they're really soft. I really like the material. It's kind of like stretchy. Kind of reminds me of bathing suit material. Okay, so there's the first print. Ooh, I really love this one. Ooh. And some of these I'm going to give to my daughters. So here's the second one. And then, of course, a few I'm keeping. I'm definitely going to keep this one, because I remember I loved it online. So it comes with spooky pumpkins, looks like little candy corns, little candies, maybe some hot cocoa or coffee. Cute. You got like a little poison apple, a skull head, witch's hat, a little candle. Ooh, then you got little fall leaves right there. Pumpkins. Oh, and a little bat. So I think those are all the different little characters. Ooh, I love this print. This is so freaking cute. I love it. This one so far is my favorite. I'll definitely be keeping this one. Alright, so now we've got the other three are the darker ones. This one I'm definitely giving to one of my older daughters, because this one's not my favorite and they like more darker stuff. So this one is black with pumpkins. And I think that's all that there is. Yep. So just pumpkins, cute. It's more the darker one. Then we got two left. Okay, so both of these look navy blue. So you could see against the black. That one's the black. That is navy blue. Ooh, this one's really cute. But I think one of my older daughters would like this. Or maybe even my 9-year-old, because she likes darker stuff. That is really cute. So these have the scary pumpkins. And it also says trick or treat with the spider web. I love that. And I love the navy blue. I bet my younger one would like that. And then here is the last and fifth one, which is also navy blue, but then it's definitely more colored. Love this one. I'll be keeping this one because I wanted a light and a dark one. So it looks like you got some little friendly ghosts, orange and green little ghosts. Then you've got just a regular pumpkin, and I guess that's a corn. Looks like maybe a corn. Then you got some fall leaves. It's definitely fall colors. Oh, cute pumpkin. So you got like the fall pumpkin and then the Halloweeny pumpkin. And then you got little polka dots. I love that. That is so cute. Totally keeping this one. And they fit pretty nice. And if they happen to be too big, you can easily just take a rubber band and put a little rubber band to make it tighter, which I'll probably have to do with my younger daughter. So these were not 1 or 2 day shipping. These took, they said it would have been up to 2-week wait. I think like October 3rd was the latest, and today is September 29th or the 30th. So it came about 4 days earlier than what the latest it could have been. So about a week and a half, I guess. So I love these. These were under $7 for 5. And they had several different prints. So I like these. And I like the feeling of them. And they fit nice and snug. So that was the most exciting one. And the third item I have is nail products. And I've never tried this brand. This was actually the cheapest one that I found on Amazon. So I wanted to try that out. And this is from the brand ABGEL. And it's nail gel, soak off gel stuff. And this is a 3-pack. So you open it up. And it comes with a regular top coat and a matte top coat and the base coat. I was looking for a new base coat, is why I got on here to purchase. And then I've seen this 3-piece. And this 3-piece set was under $4, guys. It was like $3.98 or some shit. So, comes with, and these are 12 milliliter bottles. Kind of like regular size. I think the largest bottles are 15 milliliter, and this is 12. And a lot of the stuff was 8 milliliters. So, this is definitely a good medium size. And it tells you what they are on top. So, let's check out the top coat, which I will be using the most. And I've never really used a matte top coat, but I think I will. So here's what it looks like. So it seems pretty thick. Definitely has a strong smell. And then So I'm excited to use a matte top coat, which I think would look great for Halloween nails. So here's what the matte looks like. I'll have to try this out on camera, because I've never heard anybody talking about this brand. This was under $4 for a regular size bottles, and it come with a 3-piece. So, and then this one, why is it? Looks a little like it's peeling off, but I have not opened these or nothing. I just got these in yesterday. And then here's the base coat. They definitely have a very strong smell. Yeah, they're all strong. So here's the sticky base coat that you would put on before you put on any gel polish, polygel, anything that you want to stick. So, and I only had a few base coats, so I wanted to try another one, because I've been doing these press-on nails, and so I wanted to try out a different base coat, and the bonus was the matte top coat. I love shiny top coats, which I always do, but I'm definitely going to check out the matte, because I think Halloween nails look really cool, mattified. So I cannot wait to use this little kit. And I'm waiting on my press-on nails that should come tomorrow, which were dirt cheap. It was under $4 as well. And it came with 100 nails. And I got the stiletto ones. So hopefully I'll be doing my nails tomorrow with my new press-on nails and this. I may make a video, and the reason why I never make a video of me ever doing my nails is because it takes forever. And what I'm filming on, I can't hit pause. And I don't know how to combine videos together or anything. But maybe I could show y'all doing like 2 nails, like a few nails. That way it won't take forever. So yeah, I think I may do that, because I've never heard anybody talk about this brand or anything. So I may try it out on camera. So I hope y'all enjoyed my little Amazon haul. So I got the 3-piece ABGEL gel kit, 3-piece set. Come with the gel top coat, or the shiny and the matte top coat, and then a base coat, which comes with a 12 milliliter bottle, which is not them little tiny ones. This really cute 5-piece Halloween face mask, which I'm really excited. I thought they're really cute and really decent for the price. Hell, I've bought just one little kid mask I paid $12 for. And it had the little strings that you had to tie together. And I was so irritated. And then now I can put up my Halloween tree. Hopefully the green won't show as much. But green is a Halloween color as well. So I don't think it'll be that big of a deal. You know, for like monsters and stuff. So, and I can use it for Christmas tree as well. So I'm really excited for my new stuff, and let me know if you liked anything that I got, or if you want to see a review on the gel stuff. So yeah, and here are my newest earrings. They're the zombie nurse girl, and she's so cute. And I also got those from Amazon. So you're probably always going to see me in these the next month or so, because they're just adorable. I've been wearing them every day since I got them a week ago. So, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you like my Halloween themed background. You can't see everything, but you can see the gist of it. I don't have too much, because I don't have shit for room. But, yeah, anyways, I love my mask and all my goodies I got. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.